Hey everybody! So one thing I'm kind of obsessed with are border demarcation lines and administrative anomalies between countries. And this world has quite a few of them. I have been kind of fascinated with this one because I've scouted the globe and I personally believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but this might just be the world's narrowest choke point in a salient. Now there are other narrower salients that belong to other countries, mostly the Netherlands and Belgium, but I believe this is the most narrow one between 3 countries. A salient is kind of like a peninsula but inland. It's a narrow strip of land that juts into other land and is surrounded by land, usually belonging to other countries. This salient is known as the V. It belongs to Togo. It is a narrow strip of land only about 130 meters wide, bordered by Burkina Faso to the north and Ghana to the south. The only way you can get to this salient is by driving to the very northernmost part of Togo, crossing over to the southernmost part of Burkina Faso into the town of Sinkase, and then you have to find this small little bridge. Once you go to that bridge, you are at the narrowest choke point of the V. Now, we were able to convince some Togolese military to escort us, and they gave us permission to run across the V. So you can't just do this freely on your own. You could probably be arrested. You have to have supervision, or at least you should. And I had to go see it for myself. So this is the footage.
Okay, so the guards say they're giving me permission to walk on the V. Here's my location. I'm gonna try to go 120 meters, okay? Let's go. I'm gonna cross into the V. Okay, I gotta do this. Okay, there's like... Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, 120 meters. Okay. So, running. Okay, so, according to my GPS, right now, I'm in Togo. This is Togo. Ça va? Okay, ça va? Okay, I'm in Togo right now. Okay, keep going. I'm so close. Okay, I'm so close. Escape. Okay. I'm in Togo. I only have about 20 meters left to go. Let's do this. I got it. I did it. I don't know if you can see, I am officially in Ghana. That is it. 120 meters. That's how long the choke point is. 120 meters. Wow. I gotta cross down into this river thing. Ça va? Okay. All right. I'm almost there. Okay. Here we go. I'm crossing this cavern. Dry riverbed. I just crossed a dry riverbed, and now I'm in Ghana. This is Ghana. Ghana. Let me show you. There you go. That is Ghana. Ghana right there. That's so cool. I did it. 120 meters, 3 countries. Okay, I gotta go back. All these kids are staring at me. They're like, what is this crazy guy doing? He just ran 120 meters for no reason.
So that was it. Yeah. Afterwards, the Togolese border guards were super cool, super nice. They actually treated us to lunch in Burkina Faso, and it was an awesome experience. I just want to say thank you to the Togolese border guards for helping us out, and that was one of the coolest things I've ever done in my life. I mean, you can have your Eiffel Towers and your Colosseums, but I will take my 3-country border salients any day of the week. Thanks for watching. Stay cool, stay tuned.